Good morning, students. In the last video, we will discuss local government, features of local government, and advantage of local government. In this video, we will continue this chapter from next topic: why only few states adopted and other failed to adopt. Because local bodies did not have enough power and function to look after the local development. They were very much dependent on state and central government for financial assistance. Many states did not think it necessary to establish elected local bodies. Local bodies were dissolved and the local government was handed over to government officers. Many states had indirect elections to most local bodies. In many states, elections to the local bodies were postponed from time to time. Next, new initiative like reforms. In 1989, the P.K. Thumban Committee recommended constitutional recognition for the local government bodies, a constitutional amendment to provide for periodic election to local government institutions, a enlistment of the appropriate functions to them along with funds was recommended. Yes, next most important topic from this chapter, 73rd and 74th amendments. In 1989, the central government introduced two constitutional amendments. Why these amendments? The 73rd and 74th amendment came into force in 1993. Local government is a state subject, means state is free to make their own laws on this subject. Will state government alter their laws relating to local government? Yes, once the constitution was amended, the state had to change their laws about local bodies in order to bring these in the conformity with the amendment constitution. Three-tier structure. Base level Gram Panchayat covers a village or group of villages. Intermediate mandal like block or taluka need not be constituted in smaller state. Apex Jila Panchayat covering the entire rural area of the district. Provisions of mandatory creation of Gram Sabha, compromise of all the adults member registered voters in the panchayat area and its role and function are decided by state legislation. Next, elections. All the three levels are directly elected by the people. Terms 5 years. Dissolution. If state dissolves the panchayat before the end of its 5-year terms, fresh election must be held within 6 months of such dissolution. Reservation. 1/3 are the reserved for poor women in the all panchayat institution for all categories, general, SC, ST, OBC. Reservation for SC and ST in proportion to their population. If the state find it necessary, they can also provide it for reservation for the backward castes. Reservations are also applicable to the chairperson at the 3 levels. Transfer of subjects. 29 subjects which were earlier in the state list of subjects are identified and listed in the 11th schedule of the constitution. These subjects are to be transferred to the Panchayat Raj institutions. Subjects were mostly linked to development and welfare functions at the local level. Actual transfer depend on state legislation. Only Article 243Z deals with the power, authority, and reasonability of panchayat. Some subjects listed in the 11th schedule: agriculture, minor irrigation, water management and watershed development, small scale industries including food processing industry, rural housing, drinking water, roads, cultivators, rural electrification, poverty alleviation program, education including primary and secondary school, technical training and vocational education, adult and non-formal education, libraries, cultural activities, market and fair health and sanitation, including hospital, primary health centers and dispensary, family welfare, women and children, child development, social welfare, welfare of weaker section of the particular of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Thank you.